Now we see British Mysore struggle. Hyder Ali from Mysore state rebelled and took control of Mysore. After the death of Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan, you know the Tipu Sultan, he was a great warrior, became the ruler of Mysore. He tried his best to fight against the British. At the end, Tipu Sultan died in the Battle of Srirangapatna in 1799. In this manner, the British took control of the Mysore territory. In British Mysore struggle, Hyder Ali rebelled and took control the state of Mysore. After his death, his son Tipu Sultan, who was a very great warrior, he tried his best to fight against the British. He fight very well. He used his best to against the British. Tipu Sultan was a very great warrior. You know that Tipu Sultan died in the Battle of Srirangapatnam in 1799, and the kingdom of Mysore came under the British rule. Now we see British control over Sindh. To strengthen the British power in India, the English turned their attention towards northeast frontier. They feared that the Russia might attack India through Afghanistan, and hence the English started establishing their influence over the Afghanistan. The route towards Afghanistan went through Sindh. The British understood the importance of Sindh and hence captured it in 1843. The British now turned their attention toward the northwest frontier to the strengthen or to become more power in India. The British feared that Russia might attack India through Afghanistan. They feared that Russia maybe attack India via Afghanistan. So they decided to bring Afghanistan under their control for their safety, to ensure their safety, their Indian empire, as all roads of Afghanistan passed through Sindh. So they realized the importance of Sindh, and that's why the British captured the Sindh in 1843. Fall of Sikh power. In the beginning of 19th century, the power in Punjab was in the hands of Ranjit Singh. After the death of Ranjit Singh, his minor son Dulip Singh came to the throne. Throne means in Marathi हम बोलते गादी सिंहासन. After Ranjit Singh, the Dulip Singh became the they came to the throne, means Warsa Gadi. On his behalf, his mother Queen Jindan looked after the state affairs but could not keep control over the officers. Taking advantage of this situation, the British bribed. Bribed means लाच देने किंवा विकत घेने त्यांना उनको खरीद लेते थे. वो कुछ अमाउंट देके कुछ रिश्वत देके वो क्या करते थे, उनको खरीद लेते थे. Some of the Sikh Sardar, they bribed some of the Sikh Sardar. The Sikh community thought that the British will attack Punjab, and hence they launched an attack on the British. In the first Anglo-Sikh war, the Sikh were defeated, but still Dulip Singh remained on the throne. Although the Sikh were defeated, the Dulip Singh remained on the throne, but the growing impact of British over Punjab was not acceptable to the Sikhs. Mulraj officer of Multan revolted against the English. Thousands of Sikh soldiers participated in the war against the British. In the second war of the Sikh, first war they defeated. In second war of Sikhs had faced defeat again. Again they got defeat. In 1849, the British finally captured the entire region of Punjab. The Marathas were important, strong rulers in India. How did the British strengthen their foundation of ruler in India? By defeating the Maratha. Will be studied in next chapter. Okay. After the death of Ranjit Singh, we see here. I will explain the fall of Sikh power. After the death of Ranjit Singh, his minor son Dulip Singh succeeded as a ruler of the state of Punjab, and the Queen Jindan assumed the reins of administration on the behalf of her minor son. He looked the all work on the behalf of her son. Taking advantage of her inability to control the officer, the British bribed some of their sides. The British bribed some of the Sikh Sardar. Thinking about the probability of British attack on Punjab, the Sikh community launched an attack on them, on British. They attack on British. The Sikh were defeated in First Anglo-Sikh War. First war is Anglo-Sikh War. The growing influence of the British led the revolt of Mulraj. Mulraj was the chief of Multan. The British defeated the Sikh in the Second War of Anglo-Sikh War in 1849. Okay. In Second War, the thousands of Sikh soldiers participated in the war of British, but they also again defeated. At last, the British finally captured the region of Punjab. There is their officer Mulraj officer Multan, who was a chief. He was against all of Sikh soldiers. Thousands of Sikh soldiers participated in war. They fight very bravely, but at last British finally captured the entire region of Punjab. Here we complete second lesson, and in next chapter we will study about the British strengthen their foundation of rule in India by defeating the Marathas. Okay, I will send you exercise. You have to try to solve this. Listen carefully this video and try to understand this lesson and try to solve the exercise. Okay, thank you.